What is going on, guys? I'm Consumer Tech Review, and today we're gonna be taking a look at the Redragon S101. It's a keyboard and mouse combo package. Is it any good? And if at any point during the video, if you wanna check out this exact same product, there's Amazon links below for the US, UK, and Canada. Let's jump right into it. Getting this thing open, not too hard. Comes in a big box. Then we got bubble wrap. And then the mouse, it's actually just like kind of thrown in there. Oh, it was in bubble wrap, but it came out. All right, so throwing all that aside, here is the keyboard. It's pretty light, it's all made out of plastic. We have their manual and a sticker. But guys, right now on Amazon, this thing is $33.99. So it's on a little bit of a discount. It's usually $40. Now you can get a Redragon K552 right now for $32, and it's on sale and it usually retails for $35. So for the same price as you get this mouse and this keyboard, you can get a mechanical keyboard. This is not a mechanical keyboard, although looking at it, it actually doesn't look bad. It looks better than I expected it to. Got a little bit of gloss right there. I think that's gonna light up. You've got some like press play buttons back and forth. But other than that, it's a full-size keyboard, although I will say, these down here, the Alt, FN, all those, they look horrible. They look seriously terrible. Moving on to the mouse, we kind of got a mismatched color scheme, which is weird because this is all black and this one's red and black. I know, not a big deal, but it matters to me. People commonly tell me that I'm sponsored by Redragon, which is not true, although I kind of wish I was. I do so many videos on their products. The cable is stiff on this mouse. It's not, yeah, it's not good. It's not just that it's stiff, but it doesn't really come back to, you know, you can see that. Besides that, it's pretty heavy. It has these really bad designs. On the side, it's got really cheesy looking designs. On the top, it's got like see-through red stuff. This glossy red plastic looks absolutely terrible. The only good thing about it is that the actual material on top is this like really rubber, nice. It actually feels really good. But then it moves into this gloss plastic and this weird, listen to that. On the bottom, you have these weights that you can take out if you want to, which is kind of cool. But let's get this thing plugged in. Do keep in mind there's a lot of light here, so I don't know exactly how bright you guys might think this is gonna be. Plugging her in, it's just red RGBs, okay? So there's red right there. There's some red right there, which looks not very good. And then there's some red right there. And there's some that kind of glows through this. They're not giving you full RGB, which is like not an expensive thing to give you. So that's kind of a con right there. Now I'm being so hard on this because Redragon makes full mechanical keyboards and they make one for 32 bucks. Why couldn't they have given you a $9 or $10 mouse? And they have a good $9 or $10 full RGB mouse. Maybe it's like 14 bucks, but okay. Make the thing 45 bucks. Give you a full mechanical keyboard and an actual good mouse that looks nice. This just doesn't make sense to me. And I was kind of thinking maybe this is actually just gonna look really cool. This looks really bad. You can't even see the RGB because it's so ridiculously dim. Also, there is a lot of lights in here, but it's zone lighting. Okay, so you get that RGB effect like on most mechanical keyboards. This is zones, so it's literally flashing from one color to another color. It looks really bad. It does have flip-up risers, which is good. But let's get kind of like a sound test of this membrane keyboard. Okay, so my thoughts on it. For 33, 34, 35 bucks, go get a K552. You can get one without the RGB. It will be infinitely better than this, and you'll get Outemu red switches on it, which will be quieter. So if the reason you're getting this is because you want a quiet thing that's not very loud, the K552 without the RGB is still gonna be quieter. If you want the full RGB, bump it up a little bit, pay 45 bucks, and then get one of their nicer mouses. Redragon makes nice mice, and gaming mice in general are just not that expensive. You can get really premium ones for 50, 60 bucks, which I know we're talking about a different level, but why get something like this, which I actually think is just not good. It doesn't feel good. There's a ton of flex. It doesn't make sense to me, especially when the same company, Redragon, makes so many really good products. You pay for something and you get the quality that we now expect at this price point because Redragon pioneered the super budget friendly keyboards, where instead of giving you some really good feature and then other not too good parts of the keyboard. They're giving you a full package that lacks some other features, but then a really good price point. This doesn't fit that. This is just not good. No one that uses a mechanical keyboard is like, oh, I wish I'm gonna go back to a membrane keyboard. Now that being said, I have a membrane keyboard that Redragon made that was good for a membrane keyboard. This one's not that. This one does not look that good. It has a lot of flex. The mouse feels good a little bit on top, but looks not good. It feels okay in hand. The clicks are all right. The scroll wheel is not bad, but look at this. This is not like it's a utilitarian package. This is trying to look cool, but then fails at it. So guys, I'm gonna have a link below, the K552 without RGB. It's like 32 bucks right now. Go pick it up if you're trying to get a keyboard for gaming. Don't pick up one of these. It's not worth it, it's not good. I don't know why it exists. So guys, when you tell me that I'm sponsored by Redragon, I am absolutely not. Redragon sends me all of these products, so I don't actually pay for them myself, but I give my honest review of them, and this is not good. Although, I know Redragon probably will be watching this. I still love most of your products. I just don't like this one. That being said, if you're on a super, super tight budget and you really love the way this looks, or you love something about it, this is functional, right? Like, you're still gonna be able to game on it. You're still gonna be able to use the mouse. The mouse still tracks. The typing, you can still type with it. Yep, it actually types. However, to me, it's not super enjoyable. But again, guys, if you wanna check out the K552 or this, I'll have this and the K552 linked below for Amazon for the US, UK, and Canada. But I do recommend the K552 over this. But guys, this was Consumer Tech Review. I hope you enjoyed this video of me kind of slamming a product a little bit. But yeah, I'm not sponsored by Redragon. These are my honest reviews. But this was Consumer Tech Review, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Also, do you like this set? It's a new one. I'm still getting it together. I don't know why I kept these RGBs on right here. How's that? Is that better? But yeah, I'm thinking of adding like a plant right here in the background. That'd be kind of cool. But the idea of this one is to be able to shoot videos kind of like this and be a little bit less boring. So I got a table right here. I'm gonna like show you guys stuff. Thought it was pretty cool. But yeah, tell me what you guys think below about the new set and the new little setup. This is not gonna be the only setup. We still got the other desk over there, don't worry. But this was Consumer Tech Review. Go subscribe below if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys later.